Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn about while loops in Python in 1 minute. So first of all, we need to have a starting point. So the starting point for us is count equals 1. So we are going to start as of number 1, and the name of the variable that number 1 is assigned to is count. Then we would like to have our while loop, and we repeat the while loop as long as the count variable, which is initialized to be 1, is lower than or equal to 5. So we write down the while keyword. While this count variable is lower than or equal to 5, we're going to repeat these while loops, and in every iteration we are going to print the value of the count variable and then increase it by 1. So we are going to start with 1, then we print 1 and increase it by 1, it will be 2. In the next iteration 2 is printed, now we increment it to by another 1, so it's 3, 4 and 5. So when it's 5, it can enter for the last time, and when it's 6, it's not going to enter anymore. Thanks for watching.